Welcome back YouTube. This is your boy Kino, and today I will be making a dark and stormy. So without further ado, grab your eyeball glass. Then we're gonna go ahead and fill our glass with ice. Alright guys, also remember to like the video. Then we're gonna go ahead and add 2 dash of our bitters. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna slowly pour in our ginger beer. Alright guys, and also leave a comment if you like this video. This is an easy cocktail to make at home. Alright guys, and now we're gonna go ahead and slowly float it with our dark rum, and this is a great rum straight out of the island of Jamaica, and this rum is called Karuba. Right, so you can definitely try this rum. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna garnish with our lemon wedge. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.